Good day, I'm Paez of grade 10. Today, we will discuss what I have learned about math now that we are facing a pandemic. Let's summarize what I've learned this pandemic. First, combination and permutation. Second, operation of polynomial. Third, composition of function. Fourth, measure of central tendency. And fifth, arithmetic sequence and patterns. Operation of polynomials. So, what is operation of polynomials? A polynomial is a mathematical expression that is constructed for one or more variables constant using only the operation of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. The constant of the polynomial are real numbers, whereas the exponent of the variables are positive integers. Why is the polynomial important? Polynomials are an important part of language, of mathematics, and algebra. They are used in nearly every field of mathematics to express numbers as a result of mathematical operations. Polynomials are also building blocks in other types of mathematical expression, such as rational expressions. Second, what is arithmetic sequence and patterns? An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers with a definite pattern. You take any number in the sequence, then subtract it by the previous one, and the result is always the same or constant. It is an arithmetic sequence. On the other hand, when the difference is negative, we say the sequence is decreasing. Did you know patterns help children understand change that things happen over time? Patterns are things like repeat in a logical way, like vertical stripe on a sweater. They can be numbers, image, shape. They also help children how to make logical connections and use reasoning skill. What about permutation and combination? A permutation is an act of arranging the objects or numbers in order, and the combination are the way of selecting the objects or number from a group of objects or collection in such a way that order of the objects does not matter. What I have learned about permutation. I learned that permutation is used when we are counting without replacement and the order matters. If the order does not matter, then we can use combination. Fourth, what is central tendency and its importance? Central tendency is a descriptive summary of a dataset through a single value that reflects the center of the data distribution, along with the variability of a dataset. Central tendency is a branch of descriptive statistics. The central tendency is one of the most quintessential concepts in the statistics. Central tendency is very useful in psychology. It lets us know what is normal or average for a set of data. It also condenses the data set down to one representative value, which is useful when you are working with large amount of data. Those are some of the things that I learned in mathematics today's pandemic.